I had seen the kinds of treatment that kids received when they went to juvenile court. And I had seen the kind of treatment that adults got as defense in adult criminal court. And I decided that even though I'd been doing civil legal services, the place where I wanted to try to help people was by being a public defender. One of the last cases I got while I was still in juvenile court was an 11-year-old little boy. He needed a lot of help. And one thing, he had been beaten by his stepfather, had been put out by his mother, had been basically running the streets for a few years. And one thing he needed was a foster home, and I set him up with a foster home. I convinced a judge that the judge should let the kid stay on the street, and I would arrange for therapy with this wonderful psychologist, well known to the judge. He's now 39 years old. He lives in Atlanta with his wife and 2 kids. His now 5-year-old son is named Randy, and his daughter is named Quinn, and they insisted when the kids were born that I play the role of a grandparent, and so the kids call me what I called my grandfather, which is Opa. And I see them a few times a semester, and I talk to the kids by phone. We do things for kids, and we won't see the effects, the good effects of those things at that point in the kid's life, but there may be a time 10 or 15 years later when the kid may end up getting their life together, maybe because of things we did or maybe not, but we can't see at that point what the future will bring.